Okay, so we go on to cash flow from investing activities. So remember, for investing activities, we focus only on the fixed asset. Okay, so we continue from our previous illustration. We have some additional data or information about the investing activities. A, the sale of land with book value 60,000 for 72,000 on cash, and then B, purchase of building amounting to $60,000 on cash, and then C, purchase of land amounting to $15,000 on cash. So please remember, when you get the additional information for investing activities and also later on the financing activities, please remember that it must be stated with cash. Okay, so if it is stated, for example, purchase of building amounting to $60,000 by issuing stock, it is not included in the statement of cash flow. So please remember about that. Okay, and for A, sale of land with book value of $60,000 for $72,000 on cash, we take the $72,000. Okay, so that is because we received the $72,000, not the $60,000. Okay, so $60,000 is only the value of the land. Okay, so we take the $72,000. So this is the cash flow from investing activities section. So we started from the cash from sale of land. Okay, so we received $72,000, and then we minus it with the cash paid to purchase land and cash paid for purchase of building. So 15,000 and 60,000 in total is 75,000. So of course, if sale, it is positive because we received the money, and then if we purchase, it is negative because we use our cash. So 72,000 minus 75,000, we get minus 3,000. That is the net cash flow from investing activities. Okay, and then the third activities is financing activities. Remember, we focus only on the long-term liabilities and equity. Okay, again, we have other additional information. For A, issue common stock of 4,000 shares at $12, receive cash, and then retired bonds of $50,000 with cash payment, and then paid $24,000 of cash dividends. So remember, there must be cash words inside the information. If there is no cash words, we cannot input it in the statement of cash flows. So again, retired bonds means we pay our bonds. Okay, so this is the cash flow from financing activities section. Okay, so we issue the stock, we receive the cash, that's why it is 48,000 positive. Okay, and then cash paid to retire bonds payable, because we want to pay our bonds, we use our cash, so it is minus 50,000. And then we also paid the dividends. Okay, 24,000. So if we sum it with the bonds payable is 74,000 minus, remember. Okay, so 48,000 minus 74,000, we get minus 26,000. That is the net cash flow for financing activities. So what we have discussed from the cash flow from operating activities, and then investing activities and financing activities, it is like this. Okay, so this is the format of statement of cash flow. So I separate it so that it is more clearer to explain it to you. Okay, so if we combine it, it will be like this. Okay, so after we get the net cash flow from operating activities, and then the net cash flow from investing activities, and then the net cash flow from financing activities, we sum all of it. So we get increase in cash 71,500, and then we plus the beginning cash, which is the 2009 cash, and then the answer is 97,500. That is the 2010 cash. So if after you submit you didn't get this number, it means you are wrong already. Okay, so the cash, the ending cash, it must be the cash for the latest year. Okay, in this case it is 2010. So that's how we make statement of cash flow with indirect method.